We create all different types of awards, from publishing to entertainment to sport, you name it, we've made awards for it. At EFX, we design and manufacture bespoke awards.
Is the most idyllic setting, and clients who come to visit leave on a real high and are very appreciative of what we do and our setup.
People are usually very surprised that we manufacture on site because we're in the rural Warwickshire, but we have all this high-tech machinery which we just produce beautiful bespoke awards every year.
We make a number of different types of trophies: metal trophies, acrylic, wooden, glass, combination of all of those.
We would typically get the inquiry through, salespeople would take the brief, which would then be sent through to the design studio. We then create 2 or 3 designs, which is a free of charge service.
We have 3D capabilities here, which will then turn into a 3D model, which can then be rendered, so we get a fantastic, almost lifelike photographic representation of what the client's going to get. And then as soon as it's been signed off, we can then prepare the files for the production.
Start off with profile cutting, whether that be laser or water cutting, followed by CNC machining.
So once the design has been confirmed and brought into us, we'll then sit down, we'll program it, we'll cut the billet, we'll set the machine.
Then moving over to the metal finishing side of things, where it's polished or brushed. It would then move over to the anodizing or electroplating process before moving into laser engraving and then over to final assembly and dispatch.
We're really fortunate that we have such a great team, all hand-picked and completely dedicated to what they do.
I think it's really important for creativity to have a freedom and a certain amount of nuttiness that goes with it. It's a really good environment, it's great every day.
One of the things that our customers love best is that we manufacture in-house. That gives such huge flexibility with materials, budgets, timescales.
Over the years, we really have built up the most incredible client base from all around the world.
In the back of my mind, I think of the people who've achieved so much to actually win these awards.
When you see them on the telly, or when you see somebody famous and you actually admire holding something that you've made.
And looking perfect.
Nobody knows you've made it, but you do, and that's probably the most important part.
And we love seeing all those smiling faces when they receive their awards.
Our mission really is to be the best at what we do. We all know that the recipient is going to be absolutely delighted.